After the
You
crane,
saying
after the crane skip, he's
when
saying.
you do crane through skip, you jump from the elevator and you go back inbounds to
Oh,
the Clank
yeah.
section.
I did that in my
There,
practice run. You're right.
there are two
I'm just
laser
so
bots, and
okay. Okay. So I can still skip the area that I wanted to. I just have to kill those
Yeah,
two
you
guys with
definitely skip
Lancer.
that. You're just gonna kill a bit more guys.
Hopefully that should be enough cuz I was pretty low on
The laser
XP. I don't
bots.
I don't even know if that would be enough.
The laser bots give you so much XP.
Well, we'll find out.
The spreading guys. You probably also want to kill the ones like in the right hand path.
Yeah, probably just to be safe.
This when the two to the group up, you can probably still use the nuke. But other
I
than
mean,
that, I would.
you can also kill the laser bot when you do crane one skip. Like
I
you
do.
don't jump directly to you kill those you kill that one. Okay.
Yeah, I killed that one with Lancer. Oh, thank God that worked. I didn't think it was going to. Okay, I have my usual amount of bolts. Whoa, side flip. Yo. Side flip. Yo. Yo, GL.
I don't want them.
Ratchet check.
Are you streaming on Twitch, Jura?
No, I'm just local recording.
Okay.
Why?
I wanted to know if I could watch.
You can watch
After
it and...
leaving the voice chat.
No, you cannot. I mean, I could stream, but I would prefer not to, because I think that's what fucked me up, is,
You
like,
guys
I
just
was on...
seem to-
I was on a heavy pace, and like just I don't know, maybe the pressure got to me. It was a stupid goof. I was doing really good, but whatever.
Yeah.
Press triangle to
How, like, what time do you think I could get if I went for a swing shot and PD, was it without beam jump and with swing shot? Like, what do you think the lowest time is?
I don't know, like a mid 30.
Okay.
And what's Jish's PB, you know?
Well, Jish gets the Jish skips the PDA, but he does get the swing shot.
Yeah, but Tech said...
No, Jish skips
Tech
the
said with swing shot.
What I was trying to say was Jish skips the PDA, but I think Tech was saying he's going to get it, but he's
As I said, he got
but
the
he's not
PDA.
doing beam jump. So that's like a couple of minutes right there.
I could do
I'm
beam
trolling.
jump.
Really,
I could do
that
beam
failed?
jump, but I can't. But I don't know if I could do it with the pressure of a run going on. Well,
You
right
can
now,
jump.
I mean.
Why can everyone do beat jump all of a sudden?
Because it's
What do you mean
fast.
all of a sudden? What do you mean all of a sudden? It's two cam proxies and a semi-difficult double jump. Like, okay, I'm sorry, but like, if there's one thing I don't like, it's people underestimating like other people's like. I have to learn it anyways if I want to get top 10. I might as well try to learn it as soon as I can, or to just get used to it and understand it more. I'm gonna need to do it anyways.
That'd be cracked. Smack like.
It's not that. I mean, honestly, the only part that's difficult is just the wrench SI into the double jump.
Guys, no, you can do it. You can do it without the double jump. You can actually. There's actually a place on the other side of the wall you can proxy from, but you have to do it blind.
Yeah, I was gonna say I thought it was just completely not random, but like really inconsistent.
You could probably practice it, but I don't know which would be easier.
I mean, Tank. If Tank's here, he could tell you. Like, I can do the double jump pretty fine. It's just the second cam proxy. You have to do that wrench SI, and it's really annoying.
Oh,
But,
I can teach
wouldn't-
you. I can teach you my setup. I've gotten it pretty consistent.
For the wrench SI.
Yeah.
Did you
For
just
the
go
cam
around
for the
left?
for the cam proxy and the SI.
I already know how to do the cam proxy, but I can do the cam proxy. It's just like it's hard for me to go from that into the SI. Is the issue.
Wait, as I said, you can avoid getting a hyper strike by holding L1.
But that's what I did yesterday. And I still did a hyper strike. Like when I went
Yeah,
around left,
I mean,
when I went
I
around the
mean,
left side, it
I
was
mean after
fine.
the prox. I mean after the proxy.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Not
saying.
like
I was holding L1 while I was double jumping and hyper striking for the SI. And at one point, I still did a hyper strike. I just need to go left side instead of right side. I'm fine with doing that. It's just with the pressure of a run, I don't think I can consistently, or like if I try to do it, I'd probably not save that much time. If I did go for it. Plus, I need to get bombs because. Well, actually, I don't know how many bombs I even start off with in Altanus. If it's more than 15, then I'm probably fine.
Yeah, you should have
Yes.
something like around 10, 15, 10, between 10 and 20, something like that.
Like that's what I'm thinking. I'm either going to do slingshotless or PDA or beam jump soon, either of the two. But like, I'm already got sub 40, so it's just like I just kind of I need to implement something at least.
All right, I'm gonna head off for now. I might be back in a bit.
Why is everyone leaving me? I'm just
I ain't
kidding. You have a good
leaving.
night. Okay, cool.
I Robo, see ya.
Review.
I think it's just that time of year. I don't know. I don't know how to word it without like seeming like what am I trying to say?
Well, I don't know.
I don't know how often I'll be streaming just because seasonal depression.
Happens.
Center the camera. Tap L1.
Whoa, chill. Chill, chill, chill. Oh, shit. No, I know how to do this. Fuck. Come on. I should not be losing this much. Why? Why is this giving me shit? Okay, whatever.
To glide, jump.
These Clank clips need to be perfect if I'm gonna save any amount of time with that bullshit.
Yeah, you lost like 10, 15 seconds.
Oh, more than that, dude. I had to do like 5 tries on the standing clip.
Maybe you're right. Yeah, it takes some time to set up the camera.
Okay, at least those went well. We'll see what the time is leaving. Dude, why did I have to be stupid last run? It was fucking mad like gas and Daco.
Clank also comes with a
Yeah,
laser
it was
action.
great.
Everything was first try. I'm sad.
And Daco's hard. And Daco's just hard.
Okay, we'll see if this saved any meaningful time. Okay, I'm definitely on track for my XP. Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah, that looks way better.
I don't think I'm gonna need this, but I'll get it just in case.
More money.
Give me Lancer ammo right now. That was too perfect.
Yeah, with the last enemy.
Oh, he's not even gonna do the laser things? Alright.
Swing shot.
Yeah, even with all that time loss. Yeah, Lancer route's faster.
Well, upgrading the Lancer, you can for the gravity bomb. The enemies in Siberius give you a fuck ton of XP.
I
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, but yeah, I don't know. It's just like the Lancer, I think, has always just been consolidated as the fastest. Well, like Mini Nuke is faster, but it's really different. It's dog shit for any percent because you don't have the ability to do the thing in Maktar.
What thing? What are you talking about?
So in APB, you get the you get the bolt, and then all those enemies spawn, and they give you a bunch of XP, but in any percent you have like you're
There's only
just
2
wasting
guys.
time.
Well, yeah,
What? No.
I don't wait up for them.
Yeah, like in APB, you could they spawn like in the back they spawn like 5 or 6 guys, and you can just get like a shit ton of XP.
Yeah,
But
I
for
know.
any, yeah,
I don't wait
yeah,
up for them at any percent. I just grab the 2 and like leave, even with the mini nuke route. Like I have my own little mini nuke route for any percent.
I'm not saying that you need to kill them for it just makes it really difficult because that's what makes APB fat like mini nuke faster for APB is that alone. Just unfortunate.
Yeah, it's just way trickier getting the right XP and you need some ammo luck. Yeah.
Yeah, you just need you just need more ammo than like it seems for the mini nuke route. But
I'm not even gonna need to wait till Siberius.
tractor beam is required here. You'll have to go to another planet to...
Dude, and I still have 12,000, even with foregoing a few of the paths. Huh, okay, cool. Nice gold. So I'm only 10 seconds behind my fucking gas-ass pace I had earlier. So, yeah. Yeah.
Let's pray you get a good Barlow.
Weapon upgraded. New weapons.
And Felson.
Yeah. What's the time in your PP, Joa? Like for Barlow race?
I can't remember. It was like a 30. Because I got an 18.
I mean, yeah.
Dude, I got a fucking... No, I got a 19 race in my gas pace earlier today. And I saved a good
That's
amount.
insane.
Yeah. So let's say I need a 25 to a 30.
There we go.
Maybe? Oh, nice. Let's go. 21, we're good.
Dude, 21, that's strong.
Oh,
Really good.
I've finally figured out like how to get it consistently on PS2, thank God.
I'm absolutely dog shit at race kit. Right.
Okay. Yep, and I saved a second.
I said this before that if it wasn't for you, then we wouldn't probably be doing race skip because one.
No, Robo found it, not me.
I'm not saying Robo. I'm saying we probably wouldn't have done race skip because we thought it was really inconsistent. Then you kept posting your times.
I mean, yeah, that's... I mean, Isaki found that stutter method, but yeah, I kind of realized it's not that bad. It's still fucking dog shit, but you can make it work. And yeah. I got my record like 2 days after, maybe.
I do
Maybe I
ILJ shift
contributed
a
to
boss 2 times in a row, then I try to start runs, and I can't even do a fucking chain for longer than 2 seconds, dude. Are you fucking serious?
How much rarity do I have? Shit.
Fuck, it pisses me off. It actually fucking frustrates the shit out of me.
Hey, no, get back here. Okay. Better wave 1 than I usually get. Let's go. Can I get a rarity drop so I know how much I have? 9. Oh, pfft, we're fine. Okay, he's gonna do his hovery bullshit, so I'm just not even gonna focus on him. Fuck you. Come on, give me 1 rarity. That's all I need. Where are these guys at? My radar says they're all, like, right in front of me. There we go, 10 rarity. Fuck you, blue guy. I hate you. You can suck a fatty. And last one's a blue ship, of course. Oh, thank God it actually showed itself. All right. Good enough.
Let's go, we have a run.
There's no way.
All right, best possible is a low 44. We'll see how that.
I just shift the boss again. I just shift the boss again after my run dies. Oh my god. There's no fucking way. It's just disheartening because of the run that I got earlier while I was streaming that my controller just decided to off itself.
That sucks.
I got shit. Oh my god, it's so sad.
The new no-tech route is so fucking. It's so good. I love it. Fucking swim strats. So dope.
I was not expecting that to gold. Nice.
Did Scotto's 46 have race skip or lap skip?
That's a good
It
question.
should.
That's a good question. Yeah, because this was during the prelay.
It was during, yeah.
So
I
I'd be
mean, I guess.
surprised. I'd be surprised if he didn't.
I mean, I can look it up, but I think he did.
Yeah, because I know it was for the prelay. I just didn't know how comfortable he was with it.
That was fucking weird. Wait, did that use a bomb? Oh shit, it did.
Maybe I should try to get 22 and 10 flat bolts.
Hopefully I pick up a bomb, that way I won't have to worry about it on Tabora.
He did go for race skip, yes.
Okay. I was just curious because I didn't know.
Okay, I got the bomb glove, we're good.
Yeah. And he only got a 52 race and he crashed right at the start.
Damn. Dude, nanotech blast coming in clutch, making me not need to shoot the crates. What the fuck? I did like no damage. This is so bad. And I'm not gonna lose like a shitload, but that's disappointing. Welcome back.
I'm just gonna stream.
How was your
I'm
sleep?
just gonna stream.
Oh, you haven't been?
Yeah, it was good.
No, I've been local recording.
Ah.
Sucks because earlier I had like 12 max viewers and shit, but I just got so upset about that run that I just ended stream.
Did you try playing better, Tech?
Yes,
Damn.
playing better would have prevented me from my controller disconnecting.
It's true.
You know, you got me there. But if you
It's not
played
'cause
better,
I-
you would have
It's not
been.
because I fucked up. It's because my controller kept disconnecting.
No,
Every
if you
time
played
I-
better, you would have been. If you
Oh my
played better,
God.
you would have been in the ship loading screen when disconnected. Because like you would
That's
have
true.
already been done with the planet.
Bro, if you had made that joke after that happened, I would have fucking blocked you. I
Yeah.
was so
Have you tried
upset.
getting
I
good?
was like, I was like so fucking mad. I just started trying to like scrambling for another controller to use. The good news is this controller seems to be working pretty well.
Dude,
I might just do runs.
ever since
Oh,
I got
sorry,
my
go ahead.
DS, ever since I got my DS1, Rack 2 has never been the same.
Oh.
It's so nice.
DS1?
Yeah, I'm on a
But I get a
DS1 right now.
DS1.
Whoa, what the
They
fuck? Why
better?
aren't you dead? Why aren't you dead?
Wait, they don't have the analog buttons, do they?
They do not.
I should get a D. I should get a. Should get a D.
So that makes
They're bigger.
Dabo Orbit a little annoying, but it's still doable. But I
Did
swear
you
by
guys,
I swear by the sticks.
did you guys know that I got my first sub 15 any percent with a DS4 on a PlayStation 3?
Oh god, I usually save time on Tabora. This is so sad.
If I'm not mistaken, Safi actually got his 19 in Rec 1 NG Plus, also with a DS4.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, I
don't
don't think it's that
understand.
much slower.
I searched for DualShock 1, and the results are all DualShock 3s. This is one crystal controller.
I just hate the
Insane.
feeling of I hate the feeling of wireless DS3s because they make them really like tiny.
The bigger? The wide one's bigger?
Yeah.
Wireless controller. It's a PS2. I don't trust this.
Are you
Doesn't
using
look good.
third parties controller tech?
I mean, I'm using. It's not a turbo controller though. That's for
I should
sure.
hope not.
But yeah, I was just asking because I never sell like official wired
Wired
controller.
controllers, yeah. If I did, I probably would have bought them. But the one that I was using was working. Like I love that one, but it for a long time it was doing that issue, and then it just got so bad, and I just like earlier today that I just said fuck it. I'm not. I don't know what it is, but like I thought it was something like the port with the PS3. I thought, but seems like with this controller, it's not the issue.
I mean, the USB connection isn't the greatest. Like, it's not like a big slot like for PlayStation 2 where it's very solid, just those little pins. Yeah.
Wait. Does the DualShock 1 have that analog button? Like
No.
underneath the start?
No.
Oh, this one's a fake then.
It has the analog button.
No, it doesn't. That was an addition on DS2.
No.
Okay, there's
no.
different versions, I guess.
Maybe there's certain types of analogs, but I mean, there's never been an analog stick for PS1. They didn't need any.
Oh,
Well,
analog
analog
stick.
there
I'm
are-
button.
What do you
There are controllers that say PS1, and those are the first revisions of the DualShock 1. And that one was with the PlayStation 1. At first, you just had the controller without the stick. Then you had the dual analog, which is like really rare. And actually, the analog button is green, not red. And then you had the DualShock. And I think the new
The
thing about the
DualShock has
DualShock
analog?
was just the sticks are different. The stick caps and it has vibrators. That's the only difference.
This is
And some
confused.
and some DS1s actually have like a little board in them, like not those plastic thing. Like I know the translucent PlayStation 1 controllers or DS1s, they have like
Nice
that
long load.
translucent thing. But I have now a gray one. I mean, it's piss yellow now. It actually has a board in it.
Probably
But
just
I-
gonna. Sorry, go ahead.
But no, there is an analog button, like with the red light.
Red.
I'm just gonna
Yeah, the
go
leg.
for.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do swing shot. If I'm behind, I'll do beam jump. Are you fucking kidding me? Why did I just do a side flip?
Oh, this one looks disgusting.
What?
This control. I'm doing controllers on eBay. I have so many goddamn controllers, dude. This is the fakest controller I've ever seen.
I just realized you
That is
sound
not an
super
official Sony
different. Are
controller.
you on mobile right now? In bed?
Yep.
Deactivate the
Oh,
jump.
okay.
Yep.
Double tap and hold R1.
Hold the fuck out.
How do I keep Golden Joba? Jesus. Like, the last 3 runs I've Golden Joba, I just keep getting better at it, I suppose.
Keep getting encoding overloaded like pop-ups on my OBS. I don't know why. Maybe I need to change my process priority. Come on.
This is fake.
Come on, come on, come on. Please. Okay. Oh, thank God. I was a little worried about that.
Using the DualShock 4 on the PlayStation 2, and that would be so class.
Yeah,
I
fuck
guess
with that.
you could do with like a Bluetooth adapter or some shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I have one. I have a
like how they,
DualShock 4, so I can do it. I can do it, that would be funny.
I like how they don't have backwards compatibility for PS4 and 5, but they allow you to use the previous uh, gen console controller. I don't know if what I said makes
Yeah,
sense, but like,
Oh,
it's
you can use,
strange. No, I know what you mean.
yeah. I'm like, okay.
that's lame, but
That's
whatever.
that's sad. If you don't get one drop, you can just restart faster. Very bad.
Also, I need to know how I am
Like, this is
on
the
nuke
fakest thing
ammo.
ever. Emerald controller? Emerald reference?
Oof, chill.
What do you mean? Okay. So, PS1 Emerald controller box. It says box. Tested and working. Which is it, dude? Which is it?
Can you send a link? I wanna see it.
Okay, I'll send it. This channel. Copy link.
I was so fucking lucky. I bought a DS1 for like $15 and it was like brand new. It just was piss yellow, but yeah. It also the colored ones, yeah. No, that's a PlayStation 2 controller.
Is it?
Yep, DS1s they say they have like a
Shit. Oh, I guess we're going this
PS1
way.
on them.
Oh, yeah,
Dude,
you're
I
right,
really-
didn't know this. They didn't know, probably, the seller's probably like...
Oh my God, that was scary as hell. I missed left side
I
Bolden,
wish-
but I like barely recovered it. Ooh.
I wish I
Yeah.
I took better care of it as a kid, but I feel like if I found it it would still be like worth a lot of money. But I had this old cheat code book that had Jack and Daxter looking at each other like angrily, like on the cover.
I mean, it does only say DualShock, but I always thought DualShock 1s have gray buttons and PlayStation 2 or DualShock 2s have black buttons. I don't know.
Might be fake.
Maybe.
I mean, I'm sure you could Google all of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's probably a lot of variations. So
Dude, that's
refurbished controller. There's a refurbished controller.
like the
I
connector
bought from
also
this
is
guy
gray.
before.
The
Yeah, I
connector
buy
is
from this guy all the
gray
time.
and looks like, but it looks like one from a PlayStation 2. I think that shit is fake.
Why did I
Yeah,
punch?
maybe.
I'm so dumb.
I bought so many controllers from this guy. That's actually so crazy.
Hello?
Maybe that's a really early PlayStation 2 controller. I don't
Alright.
know. I got bored.
Okay.
Oh well, never mind.
Oh, I should go to some of these places. Yeah, I should check out some local stores. I want to get knowledge of retro gaming.
I wish retro gaming was a bigger thing in St. Louis.
Biggest thing here either, apparently. But there's one which is quite close to me.
Like I
8-bit
can
young.
send you a link, Rob. It's like super self-made and shit. Like, see, he's not.
Okay.
It's not like a professional website or.
Yeah, but it's German.
Yeah.
Peak retreat. That sounds like the worst thing I've ever heard.
It looks like a website from the 2000s or some shit. But he has good stuff. And decent prices sometimes, not always. But yeah, I bought the last PlayStation 1 controller.
They have an English version. Okay. Smart toys. What kind of smart?
He has like a fucking PS1 arcade stick
What the
with
fuck?
Tekken Tag Tournament on. I want that shit. But $80. Ugh.
Part of me really hopes that I win this lawsuit. so that I just get money that I can buy some retro games with.
I'm sorry, that came out of nowhere. Why? Because I win this lawsuit. Like, yeah, I thought it was super tempting.
No, it's just I want to I want to get some more retro games, but I don't have any money. But like I wouldn't spend like obviously all my fucking money on retro games, but like
Nah, do it. Do it. No balls.
true. But I mean,
Exactly
well,
blocked.
I want to
Come
get some
on.
PS2, some of the PS2 RPGs that aren't like
Let's
on.
go.
All right, that's a huge weight off.
I mean, what am I gonna buy? PS3 RPGs are okay. PS4 RPGs are dog shit. PS5 RPGs literally don't exist.
Pacey on, Gerard. I can't see.
What?
Pacey on.
Record.
It's good.
Minus 120.
Don't shit your pants on smoke rail.
I will not.
I mean,
I
it's
promise I
chill when
won't.
you have grind boots because you just do one charge.
Call me a little bitch boy. I'm not even gonna do the hyper strike. I don't trust it.
Oh, you don't do pad on it? Yes, it's fine. That was
Sorry.
scary.
Sorry if you can hear my game through my mic. Oh, the audio. It's like hear my audio.
I should be sorry, I can hear your voice. Wait, sorry, I don't know why I said that. I actually mean that, but I thought it'd be really savage.
Yeah, what? Yeah, come on, Robo. You're hurting my
You hurt
feelings.
all of his feelings. Every single one of them. Apologize right now.
What did I ever do to you, Robo?
Yeah. Yeah.
Jura, why the fuck you don't use the vendor?
Oh, I did it when I first got there.
Mm.
I already bought Spider-Bite.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why I did it
Okay.
like that, but I did. I have 17 decoys.
Instead of
and-
mashing X, you just spam triangle.
Yeah, no, I did that when I first got there.
Yeah,
No, I've played no IMG.
yeah, but it's just a free. I don't know how much it says. Maybe a second or two. I don't know.
I don't know why I did that. I just didn't trust my fucking quick select for some reason.
Okay. I'm curious. What's your guys' favorite rack like soundtrack from no well Maroon said. No, not Maroon said.
Rack 1, Gemlick. Rack 2, probably Bolden. Rack 3?
Wow, that's what you take.
Rack 3, I don't know.
Cold takes, Jura. Cold takes.
For me, it's.
I like the
saving
tracks. I'm
Skid
sorry. No! Okay, I'm not going to lose that
Saving
much, but that's
Skid
still
Marks.
lame.
Saving
Saving-
Skip and Marks is a banger.
Yeah.
I don't know.
For Rack 2, it's. What is it for Rack 2?
There's so
I
much
actually
penis
don't know.
music
I
in
actually
Rack
don't
1.
know now. For Rack 3, it's chorus, 100% chorus.
So much good music in Rack 2, yeah.
Yo,
Yeah,
Protopets,
see, that's the thing
chill.
about Ouya. Ouya has either some of my favorite songs or my least favorite songs.
Ouya just sounds very similar, everything.
They ain't one about Ouya, but
New
They-
weapons can be
they did that fucking soundtrack.
Don't
It's
die,
just
don't.
some songs like Dax, like the Dax theme is pretty fucking mid.
That's bad. That's an L take.
That is not an L take. Come on.
Come on, Jura, you got this.
I'm going to deafen.
Hear the roar. This is the real Mr. Fizzwidget. Quark had him tied up in my closet all this time.
Good job.
World record without long loads. Let's go.
GG.
So that's gonna be a 45.
Nice. Is it? I guess maybe.
What do you suppose is wrong with
Yeah,
it?
I guess
I
it'll
don't
be.
know. It could take months of research and...
The battery
I mean,
Good job.
definitely is a 45.
Wait, what?
You always get 2 long loads on.
Oh, I
double.
counted 2, and I always get more than that.
Just have to amplify the device
G
with
fucking G.
Microsoft's TV transponders and
That's a world
copy the
record.
photopets.
Hey,
A
that's
good
pretty
word
good.
record.
Clank? Uh-oh. It's okay. I can fix her. I promise.
All right.
What's next?